Alright, morning guys. Today we've got, can you see my head?
That was really good. I like that.
Video on the Sanua towing mirrors in return for a honest install and review mirror. And what? English is my first language, would you believe that? And a genuine I need to have like a little screen behind me or something.
Screen?
A little bit of a little cross-eyed because I can't read for shit. Alright. What's going on with this camera?
How is fucking going home?
First impressions. I just want it to be a good one. Alright, so I'm just going to grab some styrofoam to put these on. I'm just starting again. Today's video is going to be an unboxing and review. What? Wait. I'll be back. For fuck's sake. And back in the box.
Yeah, you know you're doing so well, Baba.
Sanua have been kind enough to send me out a sort of their tone. This is hard. They're packaged really well. I already cut the tape of the box just so that you guys didn't have to watch me do that. But they are really nicely and well